up, Raf gang? Welcome back to another unboxing video, TV unboxing video. Well guys, I mean, here we are. Samsung S95B OLED in the Rafcave. I mean, all the YouTube videos, all the comparisons of QD-OLED to OLED for gaming have been crazy. And everyone says it's the best gaming TV, the best visual picture for gaming. And then, in my mind, I gotta go there. I gotta go there. This is strictly like a PC monitor gaming TV, and I want to experience those rich QD colors on an OLED black. I'm excited, guys. Here we go. Let's get this unboxed, see what's inside, put it on the stand, put it in the Rafcave on that table in front of me, and then go from there. Without further ado, guys, let's get it unboxed. Oh my goodness, that's thin. So thin. Oh. All right, guys, so looks like on the other side, we have your TV base, the cover for it, and remote controls, cables, warranty booklet, installation guide, another plate right there. This is the heavy part. I like that darker plastic look to it. I won't be using it though. Wow, that's a sexy back. It is completely smooth back there. And there is plastic film. Good. Good. All right, well, I am going to move this over into the other room. I'll be able to lift it up and put it on the table, and then we can put the stand on, or the plate for it. All right, be right back. All right, Raf gang, got the S95B Samsung OLED on the table. And look at this, how smooth and just wonderful this panel looks. It's just awesome. Clean. Then we have the base here. I have the swivel stand mount attached with the lag bolts here, the screws. And then you have a nice indent here where you can put your cables, but I won't be using that, so I can't use that cover there. And it looks like you got right here your headphone jack, antenna, ATSC 3.0 next gen tuner, EX-Link, LAN, optical, 1 and 2 HDMI 2.1, 3 and 4 HDMI 2.1, and 2 USBs, one for hard drive, 5 volt. And that's it. And you have the it's like the power buttons right here in the bottom. And looking sweet. All right, we'll determine that the 6th, this one right here is the one we want to attach to the mount. And that way it's going to be perfectly flush with the center speaker on my desk. All right, let's get it on there. And you know where it's going, right? I'll walk you over to it. It's going to attach right here. This lip goes on the 6th square, and it's going to lay flush right over the center speaker. It's going to be glorious. All right, guys, so the accessory package here, you got the some warranty booklets here. This is the slim remote here with solar panel charging and USB-C charging. Couple something or other. Analog audio and your power cord. which I like, is detachable power cord. Thank you. Now, there she is on the swivel mount. Same one. Looking sweet. Look how just smooth that is. Look at that. Look how thin that is. Pretty straight. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bend. I don't know. What do you think, guys? That's pretty good. Look at that thinness. Amazing. Is there a back film to this? I don't think so, is there? No back film? Yeah, speakers in there, of course. And then we have film here, of course. Right here. Nice. Look at the front, it's just glorious. Look at the clearance, guys. Look at the clearance above the center speaker. I mean, millimeters. Perfect. It's perfect. Look at that. Perfect. All right, let's get the film off and plug in the power cord. Whoa. All right, guys, let's get the film off the Samsung S95B. Start here. And peel. Oh, baby. Now you can tell right away, guys, when there's some light in the room, that it definitely looks grayer than the G2 OLED looked. But that doesn't take away from the picture at all. All right, guys, here we go. Power button. Here we go. Please be a great screen. Ooh, Samsung OLED. Woo! Look at that blue. All right, looking good. Looking good. All blue. Clean. Edge to edge.
Hello. Discover great new possibilities.
Wow.
2 simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one. To use the accessibility function, simply press and hold the volume button.
Sweet. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do the smartphone setup. So I'm gonna have to stop the video. But as you can see, clean screen across, all blue, clean white, sharp edges, all that good stuff. All right, be right back. All right, guys, just got it set up with my phone. Pretty straightforward. Just download the SmartThings app and basically walks you through everything. So basically, I'm on TV right now. Samsung TV Plus, which is free TV shows. This is Tizen interface here. This is Samsung's layout, and the energy saving is on. So I need to figure out so these are the settings here. Support LAN, intelligent one's off, picture. We want filmmaker mode. Sound is in standard. TV speaker. Oh, look at that. It even tells me the name of my receiver. Let's go. The receiver just turned on. And there's the sound. That's cool.
Well, one thing I will say.
Alright. So we want to go to the menu. We want to go to settings. This is brand new to me, guys. I don't know Samsung interface too much here. I don't.
But he's still ahead or not.
Okay, now it's in the background.
Go back to my own experiences
Turn down the volume of my AVR X3800H. That's awesome. Alright, so all settings. I'm in filmmaker mode. What we want to do right away, guys, is turn off the power saving, which I'm not sure where it is currently here. Yeah, I'm sure there's lots of deep diving into here. System manager. There we go. Power and energy savings. Brightness optimization. Turn it like that. Just opens up the TV. So definitely turn that off. Nice. Tells you how much battery life. That's cool. All right. So now that the energy saving is turned off, which you automatically want to do, now we want to go into. Oh, panel care is nice. Pixel shifting is on. Logo brightness low. And then pixel refresh. We don't need to do that now. It should be automatic. Support. Yep, we want to go to software update. New versions out, 1304. We are definitely, make sure auto update's on. We're going to update now. We want the best performance of this TV. We're going from 211 to 1304. Yes, please. Yo, that's awesome. It just knows the Denon receiver automatically and links up to it. That's already amazing. Tells you how much time is remaining. Very nice. The panel's clean, guys. It looks great all across. Got a good panel, guys. No banding, no weird fluctuations in the screen. The edges look fantastic. Nothing wrong with this panel. Oh, that's awesome. Denon turned off. TV turned off. Couple clicks I've heard. OLED. Denon turned on. Alright, looks good. Panel lottery.
Senior execs once closing the $44 billion
deal. Right. Yep.
For years, Twitter has battled hate speech and disinformation. Today,
whoa.
Twitter obviously cannot become a free-for-all hellscape where anything can be said.
All settings. Filmmaker mode. Yep. These are the settings for now. I'll probably have to play with them later. Warm 2, gamma, shadow detail, color space, smart calibration, peak brightness, reset picture. Let's go to the PC. External device manager. That's the link to the Denon. Input signal plus. That's going to be HDMI 3, because that's my eARC. That's where the Denon's going into. Device Connect Manager, access notification. Device list. Oh, it's my phone. That's cool. Alright, I'm going to back up here. And I'm just going to go to the input button, which I don't see. I'm going to press the home screen. And how do we get to this game? Settings, connected devices, source. Smart TV, external device with AVR X. That's probably what I want. Let's click on that. External device with AVR 3800H. And we gotta switch to PC. Let's see if my PC pops up. There it is. Woo! All right. Immediate reaction. Blacks are black. Reds are red. Very colorful. Looks great. Contrast is nice. Now I wonder if I can get PC mode on here. Or game mode. Dynamic, standard, movie, filmmaker mode, dynamic, standard, film. Oh wow. Filmmaker. Where is game mode? Game. I'm on. That's what I gotta figure out, guys. To switch this to like game setting, game mode. There we go. Game mode. On. Nice. Holy shoot. Damn, guys. That is crazy. Super bright. Color is out of control. Alright, so picture setup. Wow. That is crazy. We definitely don't need that much brightness. Wow. I mean, 20 is crazy. Contrast is full blast. Like, this is just SDR. Sharpness can go down to nothing. Color is crazy. Alright, Raf Gang, I'm going to end it here. It's set up. It looks great. It's performing well. I'm going to have some time with it just to play around, play some games, get used to the menu settings and stuff. But it's crazy. Bright, colorful, amazing blacks. And I'm excited to dial in this new technology of QD-OLED. Wow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and to see the next one. Home theater rules. We got it. Raf out. See ya.